Have you ever heard about a gesture so simple and effortless that it can make a woman feel deeply moved in just seconds? The best part is that it has nothing to do with being exceptionally handsome, wealthy, or armed with clever pickup lines. It isn't about flashy charm or rehearsed tactics. It's something far more genuine, more meaningful, and surprisingly overlooked by most men. Today, I'm going to share what this gesture is, why it works so powerfully from both a scientific and emotional standpoint, how to notice when she responds to it, and most importantly, how to use it naturally so it never feels forced or artificial. But before the hidden problem in modern dating we begin, if you're enjoying this content, tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss the videos designed to help you grow in your relationships. Now, let's dive in. Quick engagement question. Tell me in the comments which city and country you're watching from, and let me know, do you really think one simple gesture can create such a powerful reaction in a woman? I'd love to hear your perspective. Your input helps build this community. Let's start with the biggest mistake most men make. When men want to connect with a woman, they often believe they must impress her with clever conversation, achievements, humor, or displays of status. But the truth is very different. A woman's body reacts before her conscious mind does within milliseconds. Over thousands of years, her nervous system has evolved to what women actually feel, but rarely say, quickly sense intention, energy, and emotional safety. That's why she can meet someone and almost instantly feel either comfort and trust or the exact opposite. She may not always explain it logically, but she feels it deeply. This ability isn't magic. It's biology. And this is where the gesture we're discussing becomes powerful, when authenticity, safety, and genuine intention are perceived together. Something shifts emotionally. Her defenses lower without conscious effort. What I call an emotional opening begins. And the most fascinating part is that her body reveals the response naturally. She can't fully hide it. This melting gesture is not just one action. It's a combination of three elements that create a powerful impact when used together. First, the calm, intentional approach. This doesn't mean moving slowly like a turtle. It means approaching with purpose, but without urgency. You give her nervous system time to process your presence and feel at ease with your energy. On a subconscious level, this communicates self-control. A man who doesn't rush in emotionally charged moments shows he can manage himself, respects her space, and carries clear intention without impulsiveness. The manly gesture. Explained second, the steady yet gentle gaze. This is delicate because balance matters. It's not a predatory stare and it's not shy avoidance. It's eye contact that says, I'm here fully present and I'm not trying to take anything from you. The difference between a comforting gaze and an uncomfortable one lies in intention. If you're seeking validation or a reaction, she senses it and closes off. If you're simply sharing the moment, the response shifts entirely. Third, confident silence, the element most men struggle with. When a pause appears, many feel nervous and rush to fill it with words. But silence handled well is incredibly magnetic. This isn't empty or awkward silence. It's quiet, filled with presence and calm confidence. Without speaking, you communicate. I'm comfortable with myself, and I'm comfortable with you. Why is this combination so effective? Let's talk science. A calm approach activates her parasympathetic nervous system, the part responsible for relaxation and connection. Moving too quickly can trigger alert mode instead. Gentle eye contact encourages oxytocin release. The why this gesture creates instant safety and attraction hormone linked to bonding and trust. Comfortable silence creates a safe space for emotional processing. Her subconscious begins to think, this man feels safe, mature, and unafraid of closeness. She can relax her guard. So, how do you know it's working? The signals are involuntary and difficult to fake. Watch for a soft smile that appears naturally, not the polite kind. Notice if she holds eye contact longer with warmer, more receptive eyes. She may touch her hair, lips, or neck without realizing it. Small, self-soothing gestures tie to attraction and positive nervousness. Her body might subtly lean closer or remove physical barriers. Her voice may soften and become more melodic. Her posture opens with her torso and feet facing you. These are genuine physiological responses. Now, how do you apply this naturally so it doesn't feel like a technique? The key is simple. Don't treat it like a performance. If you approach the moment thinking, "Now I'll use this gesture to make her fall for me," it loses its power. Authenticity disappears the moment it becomes a strategy. Instead, begin with genuine presence. Don't do it to gain something. Do it because you truly enjoy being there with her. Move calmly as you would in your own home when relaxed. Maintain eye contact without searching for approval and embrace the pauses. The more comfortable you become with silence, the stronger the connection real-life examples feels. In the end, this gesture isn't a trick or manipulation. It's simply the natural expression of a man who feels secure within himself, doesn't depend on external validation, and can offer presence and emotional safety without asking for anything in return. A man who knows how to create closeness without pressure. Developing this level of presence doesn't just transform your interactions with women, it changes your entire life. So, next time you're with a woman you're interested in, remember it's not about conquering or impressing. It's about creating a space where she feels safe to be open and vulnerable. If you want to explore this deeper, comment, "I master this gesture," and tell me which of the 3 elements, calm approach, gentle gaze, or confident silence, feels hardest for you. I'd love to help you improve. If this video brought value to you, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content like this. We're building a community focused on growth through authenticity, not manipulation. Thanks for being here. See you in the next video.